Hi everybody, today we are going to be making a simple veggie sandwich. You will need bread. I've already buttered and fried this, but you should do this before you do anything else. Onions and tomatoes, and the sauces of your choice. I chose mint sauce, ketchup, ranch, and veggie chili sauce. So the first thing we are going to do is take a piece of bread and start applying your sauces. Take as much or as little sauce you want on each piece of bread. I'm going to add a bit of mint. There. Some ketchup. Some chili sauce. And some ranch, just a dot. I don't like ranch that much. There. So, now I shall mix it all together with this plastic knife. Don't put too much sauce or else it's going to soak into the bread, and that's going to make it really soggy. And soggy bread might not taste good. There, once you have finished mixing it together, you can start adding the toppings. I'm going to add some onions. You could also add lettuce, but we didn't use lettuce for this video. I'm going to break it up since these are humongous. Some onions, which I have placed. Now for tomatoes. Good. Now this is the bottom layer of the sandwich. So I'm going to make another sandwich just like that, but I'm not adding any toppings on this one. So back with the mint sauce. Some ketchup. Some ranch. Just a drop. As I said before, I do not like ranch. And now some hot sauce. I'm not adding much because this is very spicy. Good. Now I shall mix it up again with this knife, plastic knife. Make sure it gets to all the corners of the bread. Now, for the final part, you take this piece of bread, the one without any toppings, and keep it on the one with toppings, and your sandwich is done. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Goodbye.